Okay, we're going to start by going over the warm-up. So go ahead and take a quick look. I've already set up the UPS check, and you will see I have solved for each of the 4 questions. Now, I just want to do a real quick recap on this. So the word equivalent also means equal. And then I also understand that 63 times y equals 63y. And this is how it's more commonly written in algebra. My plan is to solve each answer and check if it's equal. So I did that with each of these, and you will notice this one is 60 times y plus 3. So I can combine that to get 60y. You don't need the dot, plus 3. That is not equivalent to 63 times y. So I know F is not my answer. G, I have 60 times y plus 3 times y, which gives me 60y plus 3y. The important thing here to recognize is that these are considered like terms. And like terms you can combine or add. Remember yesterday I wrote you can add or subtract like terms. So we're going to add these together and I get 63y. And that does equal our problem. So it looks like G is our answer, but let's check H and J just to be sure. H is the distributive property, so I need to distribute that 60 to the y to get 60y, plus 60 to the 3 to get 180. That is not equivalent. It is not the correct answer. And finally, J, I'm going to do inside parentheses first, so I get 6 times 3 is 18, and then I can't do anything with that y, so I just write 18 plus y. Also not equivalent. So correct answer is G. Okay, lesson number 11. I know this is day 5. Just go with it. Okay, we are modeling and solving one variable, one-step equations and inequalities that represent problems, including geometric concepts. So these are all those equations that we practiced. Okay, the first one we're going to do is question number 2. And this is a modeling question. It says, which of the following models the equation 12 equals x plus 2? So I have to understand a few things. I have to understand that 12 equals x plus 2 is an equation, and the 12 is my solution, and then I have an unknown plus 8. So my plan is to solve the equation because I like to know that answer. And then I am going to look at each model and find the one that is equivalent or equal. Okay, so here we go, solve. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna write x plus 8 equals 12. And you guys remember, we always draw a line. That is step number 1. We ask ourselves, what is the opposite? And that's subtract 8. And so my unknown is x equals 4. Now, this is not necessarily needed for this problem, but guys, this is just practice, and this is something that you actually have to know. So I am looking for x plus 8 equals 12. Well, I have an unknown plus 8 equals my whole, which is 12. And this is kind of what this looks like. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. I have this is x is the answer. Is that what we have? Absolutely not. This is 8 plus 12 equals x. That is not what we're looking for. And then this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 x's. So this actually says 8x equals 12. Also not the answer. This one I have x, oh look, plus 8 equals 12. Ooh, winner, winner, chicken dinner. And then I have this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 times 4 equals x. Not the correct answer. Okay, so when we're looking at models, we're looking for how we can break this down into its pieces. Okay, what is the solution set of the inequality below? I have y divided by -4 is greater than 10. So first thing I need to do is understand it's an inequality. Inequalities have no equal sign. The second thing I need to do is remember that when I multiply or divide by a negative, I need to flip the sign. If you do not know that, you're going to get this problem wrong. So my plan is to solve the inequality using our process steps. So my first step is always to draw a line down my inequality sign. And then my next step is to ask myself, how do I undo division? I undo division by multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by -4. But I am multiplying by a negative number. This cancels out. That gives me y. This gives me -40 here. The problem then comes here, right here. You have to remember to flip this sign. So my answer becomes y is less than -40. If you choose y is greater than -40, which is what you would do if you forgot to flip your sign, you're going to get this answer wrong. You actually can check this solution. So we're going to put that over here. I'm going to put my answer here. -4 is greater than 10. Is -40 divided by 4, is 10 greater than 10? No, it's not. And so when we do this, our answer has to be y is less than 10. So let's try a number that is less than 10. Sorry, less than -40. I can't read my own handwriting today. So I have, let's do y is 20, -20. No, negative is 80. So I'm going to use -80 here divided by -4. And do I get -80 divided by -4 is +20. Is 20 greater than 10? Yes, it is. So when we do this, we need to make sure that we are plugging in a number that is less than -40. Remember, less than makes it look like this. So like -80, -60, things like that. Correct answer is C. Y is less than -40. This is your trick one, that if you got caught because you forgot to flip your sign, this is where you're going to get it wrong. Okay, after 6 apples fall from a tree, there are 5 apples remaining. The equation x minus 6 can be used to find x. Which model can be used? So I have x minus 6 equals 5. So I'm going to find a model. I understand that x minus 6 equals 5. I have models to choose from. So my solution is 5. So 5 has to be my answer. This is my answer. So my plan is to find x minus 6. So I need 6 negative. And I need an x. And then my solution has to be 5. So let's go here and look. So then I have my x here. And I need -6. And then my equals, and my solution has to be +5. I just drew this. X minus 6 equals 5. Now let's go see if we can find a match. I have right here, x plus 6 equals -5. Is that what they want? No. How about this? X plus 5 equals -6. No. X minus 5 equals 5. Once again, no. X minus 6 equals 5. Correct answer is F. Okay, last one real quick. Maybe. The base of a rectangle measures 6 centimeters. The area of the rectangle is 54 centimeters. What is h, the height of the rectangle, in centimeters? Guys, this is actually a equation problem, not a geometry problem, but it can be both. So you need to use your star chart. So first thing I understand is I need my star chart to get a formula. And my plan is to use that formula. Area equals base times height. This is my rectangular formula because I said it's a rectangle. And I'm looking for height. So I have area equals base times height. My area, we're going to plug in known values. I know that 54 is my area right there. So I have 54 equals. And then they give me a base of 6. What I don't know is my height. This is an equation. Draw your line. Opposite of multiplication is division. We don't allow happiness in math. We need to divorce that happy couple. We're going to get height is 54 divided by 6. 54 divided by 6 is 9. Your height is 9. Okay, you have your DOL in Canvas. I will see you guys later. Have a good day.